Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial today, we are going to explain equation of motion. Uh, Many students are complaining that they find physics difficult to understand, but the problem is that they don't have the basic knowledge of physics. So in this channel, I am teaching basic knowledge of physics step by step for easy understanding. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. So thank you for coming. Let's get started. So let's read from the notebook. In this section, we will look at the third way to describe motion. So using equation of motion to describe motion is the third way of describing a motion. We have looked at the description of motion in terms of words and graph. You can describe motion in terms of words and graph, but this lesson focuses largely on equation of motion. So in this section, we examine the equation that can be used to describe the motion. So in this section, we are going to consider equations that are used to describe motion. This section is about solving problems relating to uniformly accelerated motion. So this section will focus on solving problems related to uniformly accelerated motion. In other words, motion at constant acceleration. So uniformly accelerated motion is also called constant motion at constant acceleration. Uniformly accelerated motion is also called motion at constant acceleration. The following variable will be used in this section. So let's look at the variable that we are going to be using to solve to solve the problems of uniformly accelerated motion. So we have B1. We have B1, which is initial velocity, BI. Sometimes in some textbook we are using U as initial velocity, but here we are going to use BI, initial velocity, and that bar is indicating that velocity is a vector quantity. So initial velocity has a unit of meter per second, So initial velocity at time t equals to 0, second. So we also have BF, that means final velocity, meter per second at time t. So initial final velocity, we have it when time is not equals to 0 at time t. When time is so amount, when time is either 2 seconds, 3 seconds, something like that. And then we have dx. We have dx, which is displacement. In some textbook, they are using s to represent it. It also has a unit of meter. It has a unit of meter. And we will also have time. Time has a unit of second. And we also have dt, that means change in time. Delta t, change in time or time interval. The difference between the initial and the final and initial, that is dt, time interval. It also has a unit of second. And we also have acceleration. Acceleration has a unit of meter per second square. So these are the parameters or variables that we are going to be using to solve problem under motion at constant acceleration. What you will do here is to know the unit of each variable. Know the unit of each variable because before solving problem you must check and confirm that the units are in SI unit, meaning are in standard international system of unit. So you must do that. So make sure you identify them and know their unit. So that is for today. Thank you for watching our video. In the next video we are going to see how to start solving problem related to uniformly accelerated motion using this variable. So thank you for watching.